Samsung has just unveiled its highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series, marking a significant and early announcement compared to its predecessor, the S23, allowing for an almost a month earlier shipping schedule, giving Samsung a substantial head start to establish dominance in the market and compete fiercely with Apple's upcoming iPhone 15 series. In recent years, the Galaxy S series has exhibited a more subdued presence in the smartphone market due to its maturity. However, the Galaxy S24 series introduces notable features, with the Galaxy S24 Plus standing out as an especially compelling Plus model. It reintroduces a 1440 display with a resolution of 1440 x 3120 px and incorporates an LTPO panel for the first time, enabling a variable refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The S24 Plus also boasts a 200 mAh increase in battery capacity, now at 4,900 mAh, and matches the Galaxy S24 Ultra with 12 GB of RAM. Despite these improvements in the Plus model, the standard Galaxy S24 may appear less enticing. It offers a slightly larger display, an LTPO panel, and a 100 mAh increase in battery capacity, but these upgrades might not be compelling enough for existing S23 owners to consider an upgrade. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, represents a measured update, focusing on refinement. It features a higher quality titanium frame for structural and thermal benefits, with a matte finish providing a more premium look compared to its glossy predecessor. The Ultra also sports a flat display with slimmer and symmetrical bezels, reaching up to 2,600 nits brightness and featuring a less reflective Corning Gorilla Glass armor top plate. A standout improvement is found in the camera system. The Galaxy S24 Ultra replaces the 10x optical zoom camera with a 5x camera, boasting a larger sensor and a brighter lens. This allows for comparable performance in good light and superior performance in low light when digitally zooming to 10x. The inclusion of both a 3x and a 5x zoom camera seems to strike a good balance for flagship devices. Samsung emphasizes the Galaxy S24 series as the smartest artificial intelligence phones ever, with artificial intelligence playing a significant role in the user experience, ranging from the UI to the camera. Features like Circle to Search, Live Translate, and Interpreter are highlighted as promising additions, enhancing the overall usability of the devices. Despite the ongoing narrative regarding the perceived inferiority of Samsung's Exynos compared to Qualcomm's Snapdragon, a more nuanced view emerges when considering the facts. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will ship with the Exynos 2400 in certain markets, featuring a CPU design similar to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and a 4nm process. The Exynos 2400's Eclipse 940 GPU boasts a higher clock speed than the Adreno 750 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, challenging the notion of a vastly inferior Exynos chipset. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next update. Peace out.